With Cummins engine, it has strong power and good stability. Korean-made hydraulic system. Ensure that the excavator works stably, for a long time without failure. Wubota excavators can work in various working conditions, and are widely sold to various countries. Larger bucket brings higher operation efficiency. OEM order is available for buyers, based on our professional technical team. Wubota use Doosan DX series same glass cabin, and electric operation panels,